Hi, today we are going to see about virtual labs. Virtual labs. So first go to Google and in the Google bar type VLabs. So you can see the first result coming up. It is virtual labs. So this was an initiative by MHRD and it has been created under MHRD funds. So inside this virtual labs, we click on this. So you can see that is an initiative of MHRD. Now we can see here that these are the objectives, that even if we are in remote or if we are in remote conditions, we can utilize the facilities of a laboratory. That is, we can do experiments under simulation condition. And you can see that these are the areas which are covered under the virtual labs. So electronics, computer science, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, chemical, biotechnology, civil, physical sciences and chemical sciences. Now these are the broad areas. So under these areas there are different experiments which has been coined and uploaded by different institutes. So here you can see who are all the institutes, participating institutes in this virtual labs. So we have IITs, and we can see that we have Amirta, NIT Karnataka, COE, that is College of Engineering Pune. So these are some of the participating institutes. Now so let's click on COE Pune. So we are going to visit the virtual labs which was created by College of Engineering Pune. So you can see that these are the virtual labs available in the COE Pune. We have sensors and modeling lab, industrial automation lab, PLC lab, vibration acoustics lab. So these are the different labs. So I would like to tell that don't go by the name of the labs mentioned. Instead you visit the pages or the labs, thereby you can know what are the experiments available in that lab, because each and every institute will be having different names for that laboratories, but ultimately the core content might remain the same. So just visit all the laboratories and see to that whether you have the experiments which you have come across in your laboratory. So if it is the case, you can do an experiment by clicking this experiment. So let's go for this temperature, characterize the temperature sensor. So we have an RTD here. So inside this we'll be having, under this experiment you have aim, pre-test, theory, simulator, procedure, audio, video, post test, review questions, reference, gallery. So by clicking each of this test, you'll have different materials available under that category. And if you go to the simulator lab, we can simulate the experiments and see the results. Okay, so this is the main criteria for virtual labs. That is, let's visit another college. So virtual labs, so let's go for IIT Kharagpur. So these are the virtual labs available in IIT Kharagpur. So as I told you, don't go by the, so we are going to visit this analog signals network and measurement lab. So this is the main page. You can see we have introduction, then list of experiments. I'm clicking the list of experiments. So these are the list of experiments which are developed inside this virtual labs. So verification of Norton, Thevenin. So these are some of the theorems. Then we have the determination of two-port parameter network. So you can see that here we have covered some of the electric circuits experiments, and here we have some of the measurement experiments. So these are the different experiments available. So like that you can visit each and every laboratories, and you can practice the experiments which you have done earlier. Okay, thank you.